Hey you guys, I am doing a review on this dog vet kit that I was gifted off Amazon for my honest review. It's been such a fun surprise for playtimes. It comes with all the pretend vet tools like a stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, and even an electronic dog that makes sounds and lights up to show different symptoms. The kids love running their own little mini pet clinic and it just keeps them engaged. It's great for imagination. It is so much fun. It doesn't come with a battery, so just be prepared to get your own battery. I would highly recommend this as a gift.